Hello, I'm Bade and welcome to New Directions, new segment of What's New in the Showroom. I'm Bada. Do it again. No. It's been a while. One more time. Hello and welcome to a new edition of What's New in the Showroom. I'm Bada.
And I'm Amanda.
And today we're going to be talking about something really exciting that's hit the shelves at New Directions.
Yep.
I'm really excited. We have our new night cocoon that's come on the shelf. What does it do besides, like, we know that it's super hydrating, but what's its role? I mean, it's a night cocoon. I mean, what do we put on when we sleep?
So when we sleep, our skin's doing all the repairing. So the idea of this is to have a really nice sort of substantive mask that allows your skin to sort of recover from the day.
Yes.
So in here, the actives are hyaluronic acid and ceramide.
It's great for plumping.
Yep.
Absolutely, yeah.
Absolutely. So we've got a nice blend of ceramides, your hyaluronic acid for repair, restoration. Super hydrating, so you wake up in the morning and you feel refreshed.
Wow.
So you can wear it all, you basically wear it all night. In terms of how it feels, 6 hours later, I might have got the wrong one.
No, there we go. We'll get there.
Go.
We'll go close to the cam. Just excuse the fake tan, everybody.
And give it a rub in.
There we go. Let's give it a nice rub. There we go.
See, it's like it's a creamy looking thing.
It feels amazing. It's like a serumy
but
cream.
But it goes in like a serum, yes. And it's got a really nice silken texture. So you sort of feel it really glide across the skin. Very, very beautiful.
I really like that.
And we called it a cocoon. Well, I say we.
It feels like a cocoon. It's like it's almost like a nice coating. And it's not heavy, and it smells gorgeous.
Well, the smell is interesting.
Lavender, isn't it?
Yeah, the smell is interesting because this here is the aroma. So here, this is a encapsulated lavender oil. So this little powder here, if you just sniff, I mean, we probably look a bit weird.
We don't want to get too close.
Sniffing the powder. But if you sniff it, it's not really very strong.
Goodness.
But then you give it a bit of a rub between your fingers and the capsules break and release the lavender oil.
The lavender oil. Oh, wow.
And it's really nice then. You can smell the fresh lavender.
It's gorgeous.
What we've done here is we've got the lavender, encapsulated it to keep it fresh, and the reason for that is because when lavender oil oxidizes, when it starts to get a bit old, it becomes more irritating.
That's right.
And also the smell can sort of change a little bit. So by encapsulating it, you're getting that freshness and all the efforts in soothing, calming, sleepy, because everyone goes to sleep with lavender.
I feel sleepy smelling it.
So it's a good product. Yeah, use it most nights, I guess. Yes. And it's available now, featuring these beautiful. It's called Cellu oil. So
Cellu oil.
It's like a cellulose sort of based capsule with lavender oil in it, 50% weight of lavender oil, and we recommend putting between about probably 1 or 2% of the capsules in a product, so you end up with a nice dose of lavender that you really release as you press it into yourself.
Fantastic.
Cool.
Thank you very much, Amanda. So once again, come to the showroom and have a go at our night cocoon. It's available online and in the showroom, and take a sample as well. Give it a go. It feels absolutely amazing. It's like almost like a second silky skin, yes.
It is. Yay. All right.
I'm Bada.
And I'm Amanda.
See you later.
Bye.